died. We apologize. Anyway, right now on to stories that inspire us. And as we do every week, we turn our attention to our labor of love. And in the latest edition, we take a look at the work of Renier Wepener, who is a CNC turning champion. And his craft and passion is about reshaping metal into custom-made objects.
I'm Renier Wepener. I'm a CNC programmer fitter. When you love what you do, you'll never work a day in your life. So I'm a CNC machinist. I'm also the setter and programmer. It stands for computer numerical control, so everything is controlled by a computer. When I was way younger, me and my father had a discussion of what I want to do when I'm done with school. And growing up in a house where my father is a fitter and turner, I enjoyed what he did, so that's what I wanted to do. And I mean, I love what I'm doing, so it doesn't feel like work. It doesn't feel like a struggle getting out of the bed in the morning. When I was a young age, I started working at this company. I think I was 15, 16 years old. I started working here in the holidays, school holidays. And I first helped cleaning. From there, they put me on assembling parts and stuff. And then I was on the small machine in the front. There I made my first project was to make pins. I'll never forget the first part I made. I mean, you feel so proud. CNC there's endless possibilities. So I mean, you can basically do anything and sculpt anything, any part out of raw material. And yeah, I just love the fact that you can make something which you need. First, what would happen is the customer would come to us, give us a drawing and an explanation of what he wants. Then from there, we'll order the material. When we have the material and everything, we'll start programming. From there, the toolpath is generated into a program. The program is sent to the machine. Once the program's on the machine, I set my tools accordingly to the specific job I have to do. If it needs to be bored or just an OD turn, then the material will go into the machine. I'll set my tools, press cycle start, stand back, and then if everything is done correctly, the part will be 100%. We also send parts for hardening, so in many cases we'll get a part, we'll turn it, we'll send it for hardening, but we'll leave more material on the part. And when the part comes back from hardening, it will go into the grinding, which they can do more specific tolerance sizes. We work with tolerances of 0.005, and I mean, if you take the width of your hair, it's 0.1. So if you divide your hair into 1,000 pieces and you take 5 of those pieces, that's the tolerances we work in. So when I'm able to do it and I'm able to get it right, I feel like, man, I've got this, I've got this. My advice for the young guys, don't think it's the easy trade, the easy way out. Doing this is just as difficult as doing something at a university. This is more the practical side. If the fitting and turning side of engineering, which we're doing here, and also the CNC part of making parts and sculpting parts, I won't say it's difficult, but yeah, as I said, if you love what you do, you'll never work a day in your life.
Well, still to come